Hello everyone. Welcome to the Comforting Zone. Today I will show you 13 men's gadgets you can buy online. All the product links are mentioned in the video description. Let's jump into the video. A beautiful product that provides a running naked feeling of pleasure. With cyclone shock absorption and automatic exhaust black technology, wearing these super cool air shoes feels like not wearing anything at all. Countless small and large exhaust holes, combined with the use of ice silk quick drying technology for the fabric, and the new cyclone shock absorption technology. The air shoes keep your feet cool and at the same time, the design is very fashionable and atmospheric, no matter work, business trip, travel. Men and women can easily hold any occasion. Truly achieves 360-degree all-round breathability, different from breathable shoes on the market. Not only the upper is breathable, but also the sole can breathe and cushion, allowing fresh air in with every step, keeping your feet cool and comfortable. Introducing DaptKey, the highly customizable multifunctional keyboard designed to revolutionize your computer experience. Equipped with 20 programmable keys and 5 programmable knobs, DaptKey offers you the ultimate convenience of managing your computer operations with ease. Customize each key and knob to perform specific functions, shortcuts, or macro commands based on your personal needs, significantly improving efficiency and productivity. Switch between multiple layers of macro commands according to your settings to meet the requirements of various software applications. Whether you're a professional, a gamer, or simply someone looking to optimize their computer experience, DaptKey has you covered. Get your hands on this game-changing device and unlock your full potential today. Introducing the Merlady cruise ship ornaments, inspired by the love story of the Titanic. These decorations symbolize never-sinking love and courage. They are made of high-quality acrylic, offering transparency and a soft light. The cruise ship and iceberg are crafted from resin, filled with pure water and vegetable oil to ensure they never sink. These ornaments sway with the surrounding seawater, creating a storm at sea effect. They provide a sense of security and can help relieve stress and anxiety. Introducing tile trackers, the perfect solution to keep track of your belongings. Choose from a variety of options to locate your keys, wallet, remotes, and more. Save with multi-packs or gift them to your loved ones. Use the Tile app to find your tile within Bluetooth range or ask your smart home device to help. When outside Bluetooth range, view the tile's last known location on a map. Find your phone by double pressing the tile button, even on silent mode. Get assistance from the Tile network, where others can help locate your lost tile and contact you through the QR code. Tile works with Android, iOS, Amazon Alexa, Hey Google, and Siri, ensuring compatibility across devices. Experience the peace of mind that comes with tile trackers, ensuring you never lose your essentials again. The Ender 3 V2 Neo FDM 3D printer is an upgraded version of the Ender 3 V2, specifically designed for beginners. It boasts several significant enhancements, including a full metal Bowden extruder, an auto-leveling feature with CR Touch, and a PC spring steel magnetic build plate. These improvements make the printer easier to install and operate for novice users. The full metal Bowden extruder allows for smooth filament feeding and withdrawal, aided by a rotary knob. The CR Touch auto-leveling system, with its 16-point automatic bed leveling technology, offers convenience and stability surpassing traditional BL touch leveling accuracy. With its user-friendly features and improved components, the Ender 3 V2 Neo FDM 3D printer is an excellent choice for beginners looking to explore the world of 3D printing. Upgrade your home bartending experience with a luxurious bartender tools set. This set includes a pro cocktail smoker, culinary torch, and 3 flavors of wood chips for smoking cocktails. Immerse yourself in a timeless bartending experience with everything you need to create impressive smoked drinks. The Cocktail Smoker Kit offers a multi-sensory indulgence, enhancing the flavors of your favorite drinks. Perfect for any special occasion or alcohol mixer. Experience the convenience and safety of the Segway E2 electric scooter. Its large-sized dashboard provides a clear view of vital information, minimizing distractions while riding. Powered by a 250 watts brushless motor, the E2 offers a range of up to 15.5 miles and a maximum speed of 12.4 miles per hour. With an IPX4 water-resistant rating and a weight capacity of 198 pounds, it's built to withstand various terrains and conditions. Care for your riding experience with features such as 8.1-inch inner hollow shock-absorbing tires, electronic and drum brakes, and a low-gravity center pedal. A rear brake light adds an extra layer of safety to your smooth and secure ride. Rest assured with the Segway E2's reliability and durability. Its automotive-grade steel frame has undergone a rigorous 3,000-kilometer road test to ensure long-lasting performance. Its sleek curves and vibrant colors give it a cool and trendy appearance that turns heads wherever you go. Experience the TAGRY Bluetooth earbuds, offering a host of impressive features. The dual digital LED power display allows you to easily monitor the charging levels of the earbuds and the case. The 470 mAh battery capacity provides up to 60 hours of total music playback, and each earbud lasts 5 hours on a single charge. These wireless earbuds are designed for convenience, supporting both wireless and USB-C charging. With an IPX5 waterproof rating, they can withstand water and sweat, making them suitable for sports activities. The one-step pairing feature ensures quick and effortless connections, while touch controls on the earbuds allow for easy music control, volume adjustment, calls, and voice assistant access. The earbuds support mono and stereo modes, enabling you to share music with others. The built-in microphone and CVC noise reduction technology ensure clear phone calls. Discover a new level of self-grooming with the self-cut system. This educational tool includes a free mobile app that teaches you professional haircutting and fading techniques, empowering you to achieve salon-worthy results at home. Say goodbye to uneven cuts with the self-cut system's innovative three-way mirror. Its lightweight and versatile design allows you to see every angle of your head, ensuring a perfect cut every time. Experience the ultimate convenience with the self-cut system's telescoping brackets. They easily hook onto any door, providing instant height adjustment for a personalized self-grooming experience. Built to last, the self-cut system features a durable and non-breakable design. Its portability makes it ideal for both home and travel use, keeping you looking your best wherever you go. ioCube is an innovative platform that fully supports Arduino development, offering a range of exceptional features and functionalities. Unique architecture empowers users to simultaneously control multiple components, enabling complex tasks such as driving 4 screens concurrently. Achieving this level of functionality can be challenging with traditional Arduino architecture. Whether you're looking for a portable application or aiming to create a larger scale project, ioCube has got you covered. The power module enables easy portability for your application. For more extensive applications, the IR communication module seamlessly connects different cubes together. Simple drag and drop interface enables advanced features, like IoT and wireless connectivity with just a few touch. We also provide a variety of program templates that you can directly utilize and customize to create your own unique applications. The Google Wi-Fi setup offers a reliable and consistent connection for smaller homes. With backward compatibility and fast data transfer speeds, it ensures efficient operation. The system utilizes TX beamforming technology for dependable connectivity and includes 2 gigabit Ethernet ports for high-speed wired connections. Wi-Fi protected access keeps your network secure, while the Google Wi-Fi app allows you to manage and prioritize devices. Compatible with both Android and iOS devices, this setup provides a seamless internet experience for your home. Unleash your creativity with the illuminated World Globe 3D puzzle. This captivating puzzle features 180 pieces that allow adults to craft an impressive 11.5-inch tall antique-look globe with a wooden base and LED light. It serves as a beautiful and decorative addition to any bedroom or dorm. The puzzle provides a soft and reassuring light, offering a sense of security for kids at night. With a power line for electricity connection, it combines practicality with aesthetics once assembled. Made from non-toxic and durable plywood, the puzzle guarantees safety and longevity. It includes a pictorial manual and precisely laser-cut parts for easy and precise assembly. Engage in a relaxing and educational experience as you build the 3D puzzle. It enhances understanding of geography and space, making it an ideal choice for schools and family bonding time. Enhance your sitting comfort with the KickScooter lumbar support pillow. Designed to alleviate back pain and promote proper posture, this pillow is ideal for office chairs, gaming chairs, and car seats. Its ergonomically designed back support helps relieve upper, mid, and lower back pain while maintaining a gentle curve in the spine. The pillow is made from high-density memory foam that retains its density and never flattens out. It offers firm and durable support, surpassing the effectiveness of lumbar rolls or mesh back supports. With 2 adjustable straps, the KickScooter lumbar pillow stays securely in place on various chairs and surfaces. The breathable 3D mesh cover is removable and machine washable, ensuring proper air circulation and a cool and comfortable experience. The pillow is suitable for all seasons, preventing the buildup of sweat and moisture. Thanks for watching. You can buy these products using my links. All the product links are mentioned in the video description. Let's meet with a new video in next time.